YMCA University of Science and Technology, Faridabad was established in 2009 by Haryana Government Gazette notification. Formerly known as YMCA Institute of Engineering, Faridabad, this Haryana State Government Technical University is situated right on the National Highway No. 2 on Delhi-Mathura Road, 32 kilometers from the national capital, New Delhi. The university is well connected with rail and road transport from Delhi. The university offers degree courses and a number of postgraduate degree programs like MTech, MSc, MBA, MCA and PhD. YMCA University of Science and Technology aspires to be nationally and internationally acclaimed leader in technical and higher education in all spheres, which transforms the life of students through integration of teaching, research and character building. To contribute to the development of science and technology by synthesizing teaching, research and creative activities, to provide an enviable research environment and a state-of-the-art technological exposure to its scholars, and to develop human potential to its fullest extent and make them emerge as world-class leaders in their professions and enthuse them towards their social responsibility. All engineering courses of the university are approved by AICTE. The university is approved by UGC under Section 2F and 12B. The library is located in a separate building with air-conditioned facility. The university library is well stocked with a wide range of books, journals in the stream of engineering, technology, applied sciences and management to fulfill the information needs of undergraduate, postgraduate, research scholar, faculty and staff members. The university has a dispensary located within the campus at a close distance from the academic and hostel blocks. The dispensary is having one part-time doctor, one nurse, one pharmacist and one attendant. The dispensary caters the need of all the students and staff, including regular checkup and medicines for common ailments. There are separate hostel facilities for boys and girls. While 4 hostels are meant for boys, 4 hostels are for girls. Good quality food is served through separate catering services available within boys and girls hostel. Each hostel has a warden to look after the hostels.
ये हमारे रजिस्ट्रार हैं डॉक्टर संजय डॉक्टर प्रधान, स्वागत है सर आपका। आइए। ये हमारे पुराने रजिस्ट्रार में हैं डॉक्टर संदीप ग्रोवर, ये यहाँ के फॉर्मर वाइस चांसलर हैं, सीनियर मोस्ट प्रोफेसर हैं। I think many of you might remember, but he has been vice chancellor of this university for almost 9 months before I joined, and he is senior role professor of this university. So बाकी सभी members से मैं और बाकी सभी लोग जानते हैं किस में तो चैट किएंगे सर या फिर हम शुड गो फ्रेंड का सबने कर लिया हाँ प्लीज या वर्टिकल मल्टी स्टोरी बिल्डिंग बनवानी है एक ही बिल्डिंग में 100 के घर बना लिए डॉक्टर डिपार्टमेंट चेयरमैन he chairs the department of electronics engineering and he is also responsible for proctor and
I am also in charge of dispensary.
In charge of dispensary. Then next is Dr. Oman Mahdi, he is professor in charge academy and he is professor of computer science and engineering. Dr. Tilaknath is professor of mechanical engineering. He has been registrar of this university. So he has come from Gorakhpur now और हमारे member हैं committee के. Professor Pandey, he has been vice chancellor of Bundelkhand University and basically man of physics and he is chairman of this NAC peer-review committee. I am Dinesh Kumar, vice chancellor of this university. I joined this university almost about 11 months back. Basically, I am MSc Physics also. Karvesu Agarwal, डॉक्टर साहब आप भी अपने वाले JNU से प्रोफेसर हैं. बेसिकली कंप्यूटर साइंस के प्रोफेसर हैं. मेरे को ज़्यादा नहीं मालूम शायद आप अगर कुछ बताएंगे तो.
मैं JNU में since 1986. I am professor. Prior to that, I was teaching in University of Waterloo, Canada.
Dr. Pradeep Kumar, controller of finance. Controller of finance.
Dr. Vikas Kumar, Chief Postal Warden, Acting Line Department.
Chief Postal Warden.
Dr. Mitra.
We'll start with the history and growth of IMCE University. We are in place since 1969 as YMCA Institute of Engineering, which was established as a joint venture of National Council of IMCAs of India, University by SOCHAM. Then we opened up certain center of excellences and again some new courses. So there are a lot of administrative initiatives. As I told you, we have special fund for faculty development of 1 lakh rupees. We have a joint vision, we have a shared vision to be a leader in technical and higher education and transforming the life of students through integration of teaching, research and character building. Has got Lawrence along with him. He has various projects worth rupees 11 crore he has undertaken, more than 100 papers published, various research awards, and I am happy to announce that Professor Dinesh Kumar has received Indian Science Congress Association's Homi Jahangir Baba Memorial Award for 2015, which was conferred to him in January this year by Honorable Prime Minister of India. In line to that, we have already developed a vision document 2020 2 years ago that has been approved by the relevant bodies in the university, and there are two parts of that document. Part A includes the improvements in educational standards and part B includes the expansion and the infrastructure development. Here. Of HSTES, there are about 175 colleges and government universities wherein admission is done through HSTES, and there are 3 state technical universities in the state of Haryana, that is YMCA University, PhD and MPhil from Kurukshetra University and other degrees from Kurukshetra University. Formerly he was director at an engineering institute in Kurukshetra. Once This is Vice Chancellor, sir.
For last 2 decades, we are undisputedly first preference in the state for admission seekers. So it is only among the 3 universities.
No, sir, no, sir. No. There are 175 colleges in Haryana.
But what about NIT? What about other institutions?
Sir, next state counseling is only through all the other colleges in Haryana. NIT is through central counseling.
So it is better to have a qualifier that among the state institutions, we are the first.
We should change it. इसमें थोड़ा सा confusion हो रहा है कि NIT से लग रहा है. NIT is not there.
Any engineering institute, maybe that is the philosophy of this YMCA, whether you think is basic science essential for engineering or it is something like subservient to. Especially I would like to at least see all the publications which are in SCI or SSCI, Social Science Citation Index,
Right.
particular community.
Social science का तो हमारा बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं होगा क्योंकि management department.
Number 2 is the food consultancy. Number 2. And number 3 is any money received from industry. Total amount received industry for the last 4 years.
A very good morning to all of you. I, on behalf of Internal Quality Assurance Cell, welcome all the NACPO teams and other dignitaries. I will show you the link of how do we conduct this exercise online. These are the questions. There are certain questions which are related to the subject matter, the planning, the teaching learning process. We actually give the link to these pages to the students to key in the feedback. And the entire questionnaire is broadly divided into 4 or 5 parameters. Say for example, this is the feedback for the subject DSD. It is Digital System Design. This is taught in BTech CE 6th semester. The students are supposed to key in the feedback. They will select the name of the teacher from here. There is a list. This is for the computer engineering department. So all the teachers of the computer the part of the audit team is organized at the department level. Every teacher is manually supposed to fill in the details as how many number of lectures they have conducted for a particular subject, what is the average sessional marks, even if it is very low or if it is very high, what is the percentage of students which are actually attending the class, and if the average percentage of class is university, and create a system through which management can accurately take the feedback for planning and quality enhancements.
It is in its infancy. It's only 1 year old.
Yes, sir.
And the process you are telling
Yes, sir.
cannot be covered in 1 year.
So there were.
Are you giving the philosophy or what?
No, sir.
No,
This is
actually
in
no.
practice.
That's not true.
We actually
we
were
have generated
conducting
the
these.
data. Last 6 months में पूरा exercise किया. You can see the data. They have
All these exercises are conducted in the last 6 months.
But data is there.
नहीं IQAC का कोई कमरा है
हाँ.
we visit that there.
If there is a student, do you agree the identity? You have the identity of the student.
We don't compel them to key in their details. It is by choice if they want to. Otherwise, it is anonymous.
So, what is the summary of this data 6 months from that?
Yes, sir.
What is the university average?
What is the?
University average score. That is grading participated in this program.
Sir, more than 50% of the students always participate in this exercise.
I'm not asking.
What is the grading of the students?
1 to 5 scale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
What is the average?
What is the average?
Average scales are varies from every teacher.
Overall, if you just have average.
3 and 4, sir.
It is always between 3 and 4. For academic, 3 and 4.
3 and 4.
Yes, sir.
It's more than see this data you will find 3 to 5.
Yes, sir.
5 is also there.
So if we will select the entire data for this particular teacher, you see the average value is 4.29. 4.229.
That is good.
This is for this particular teacher for this particular subject DSD.
I am asking whole university average.
Sir,
Less than 4.
Okay, answered. कॉर्पोरेट सोशल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी में भी कई से आपको पैसा मिला है फ्रॉम इंडस्ट्रीज
हमारा 50 एकड़ लैंड बात चल रहा है.
कितना दूर है?
यहाँ से 30 किलोमीटर खराब होगी ना ओवर द इयर्स. फिर उसको करने इंडस्ट्रीज बने. फर्स्ट है. I think परमानेंटली बैठते हैं. तो कोई भी चीज़ खर्च करते हैं, पैसा खर्च करते हैं ना, तो अदरवाइज हमें पैसा नहीं मिलेगा. ये हमारा रजिस्टर ऑफिस है. रिकॉर्ड लेके
Then the file comes to the IQAC.
I just started this week. But what about APS score? You need to maintain even other one. Use the single. Was it a practice or not?
As such, no practice is there of maintaining at central level, but
Where it was maintained? That's the next question.
it is only done by teachers itself. And as I told you, जैसे हमारे promotion के लिए
When the promotion is sought, then the API score, the teacher applies for the promotion along with those API
You will
scores.
apply for that year. I am asking for last 5 years. You are not getting my point. Still.
no.
Just listen to me carefully first and then you answer.
And everything maintaining the personal
So who calculates the API?
Sir, the teacher calculates the API and submits it to the department. They submit it to the department. At the department level, we have a scrutiny committee which will take care of those forms. After the scrutiny, it is submitted to the IQAC for verification. This has been identified that they must go through IQAC in the second meeting. So here are the files that we have actually
as
received.
such, all the serious matter तो कोई normally
From the
some
faculty.
file teachers will take.
Here are some files from academic audit of the teachers. This is the teachers feedback. ये टीचर्स का फीडबैक है जिसके बेसिस पे हम
स्टूडेंट्स ने जो फीडबैक दिया किसी के खिलाफ कभी रिपोर्ट आया
सर इसमें टीचर के अगेंस्ट जैसे कोई रिपोर्ट आता है ये दिस इज एक्सरसाइज व्हिच इज इन प्रैक्टिस फॉर पास्ट मेनी इयर्स सो नन ऑफ द टीचर इज हैविंग अ स्कोर लेस देन
March. हाँ सर इसमें सर इनका पब्लिकेशन नहीं होगा ना सर बाइफरकेट किया है and sir so that totaling will become easy and that is done by the department.
There are 2 files of
हाँ सर कैटेगरी 1 है जैसे कैटेगरी 2 है वो पीरियड लिखा हुआ है
rated by the department chair based upon all
Dr. Tankesar is law university. ये हमारे लाइब्रेरियन हैं यहाँ की यूनिवर्सिटी की।
वेलकम सर First of all, I welcome on behalf of my library services. We are providing
in North India.
sir,
कौन सी लाइब्रेरी का आप एमुलेट करना चाहिए? कौन सी?
सर्विसेज में यदि मैं देखूँ तो मुझे BCL भी अच्छी लगती है और मुझे ब्रिटिश काउंसिल लाइब्रेरी
ब्रिटिश लाइब्रेरी चलो हाँ
और कोई ऐसा जनरल लाइब्रेरी अदरवाइज IIT Delhi through either UGC Social Consortia or through the subscription. The Vice Chancellor is Dr. Rajkumar, Professor Mathematical. 30 libraries and spend approximate 40,000 on the learning resources. In the yeah.
Really available. For example, NMI CP provides you partnering lectures of IIT.
NPTEL.
NPTEL.
Yeah.
NPTEL could be put on your local server that could be loaded. That could be
Actually, these can be accessed directly online. So we have not downloaded it.
Student has to spend
Yeah.
available on a local server. It could be accessed on.
नहीं आप समझे क्या कह रहे हैं?
Yeah, I can understand.
But do you agree or not?
I'm agree.
तो फिर आप उसको क्यों कर रहे हैं? NPTEL है.
Reprograph.
So it could be a combination of art.
Yeah.
2014 की ये कौन सी एक ये अब ये देखो तुमने जो बुक्स हैं तुम्हारी 12 की हैं अब हालत जो है ये है 2004 की आज की जो स्टेट ऑफ आर्ट है ये देखो कौन सी ईयर की अच्छा आपका मैनेजमेंट साइंस आता है जो यूएसए का जर्नल मैनेजमेंट साइंस नहीं ना तो मतलब जो बेस्ट जर्नल्स हैं वर्ल्ड के अपने से
बता दो कहाँ से कंट्रोल कमांड से मैडम
प्रोग्राम डे
देखे होंगे तो जैसे मोदी जी का भी अभियान है और भारत सरकार का स्वच्छ भारत मिशन के लिए गांव में क्या होता है कि लोग
एक्चुअली स्मार्ट
Yes, you have to, sir, the experience, you have to make more modification on that. More modifications are required.
The eye sensor are detecting that there is a body, that is there is a metal body here. So you can detect there are the cards are placed here, and if you use the waters here.
You are putting your finger in the tongue. Can it not go itself? Now.
Actually, sir, there was a we went here to their team has gone to England and won. So we are also trying to go foreign, but you can open the site.
Other things.
Jounces, many jounces and bumps are there in the track, and we have to, like endure our vehicle.
No sir,
It's a petrol vehicle.
प्रोग्राम डे
सर यहाँ फोटो सही आ रही है
And we have maintained a activity register also. And one more thing, every year they are going to organize innovator award.
सर्किट है?
सर ये स्टेट में
एस्टिमेट करो कितना क्या
बॉडी स्टार्ट रेट जो
अरे तुम बताओ ना मुझे, हमें प्रैक्टिकल प्रॉब्लम है।
Group of BTech final year students were awarded second prize in Danfoss Innovator Award and received a cash prize of National Innovative Project Competition for Solar Operated Screw Jack. This is the student profile program wise. We have a pass percentage of around 70 to 80% for BTech program and 100% for MTech program. The students are from universities outside the state, and for PhD 50% of the students are from the same university. These are the details of student projects. The project work is mandatory for both UG and PG programs, and the percentage of students honoring the students, the meritorious students during some program fellowship are faculty members also go abroad to attend various conferences and to chair some sessions. These are the details of number of postgraduate students getting financial assistance.
Marker you don't have.
No, we are having them. Because what is inside, so that's why it is easy to understand the issue.
Kindly focus on getting the achievements on the part. Right. Rest thing.
Members and my dear friends, I, Nilesh Ahuja, chairperson of department, welcome you all. Today I am here to deliver a presentation for you, which will talk about my department. Because there is somebody in the class there. Nature aspects, quality for future purpose. Department is running 3 programs: BTech in Electrical Engineering, MTech in Power System, and PhD. We started BTech in 1997 with about 30 students. Later on, it was in 1997. Before 1997, this department was running 3 advanced diploma courses of 4-year duration. So, similarly, MTech Power System started in 2004, duration 2 years, intake 18, and number of batches pass out 10. So, here are the major strengths of the department. The department is having very competent and well qualified faculty members, well equipped laboratories with the latest equipment. We are having 273 students enrolled in our department from 1st to 2nd or 4th year for the UG students, and PG 16 in each batch, and PhD we have the 9 students enrolled in the department. So we also allow our students to participate in co-curricular activities. Our students are having IEEE and IE student chapter. Under this chapter we organize many activities, and our MTech students also publish a paper in international journal.
There would be noise, there would be stochasticity, all this electrical circuits, large scale electric. तो उसके टेक्निक से अगर वो देंगे, ये सब आप बुक्स लोगे, इससे फायदा क्या होगा? जैसे ग्रे वाले में ये चीज़ें आपके ये वोल्टेशन टेक्निक, लॉरेंस अट्रैक्टर में आपका डबिंग ऑसिलेटर, स्ट्रेन अट्रैक्टर, दुनिया भर की चीज़ें पढ़ाते हैं कि नहीं बच्चों को? ये कौन सा है? BTech का कोर्स है कौन सा है? बीटेक दो से बच्चों को आप ये पढ़ाओगे और ये देखिए जब आप गाइड एजुकेशन कब कब होता है आपका डिजिटल इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इसके लिए ये देखो ना ये इलेक्ट्रिकल नागराजन कोठारी जर्नलाइज
So, financial aspects, in the last 3 years we have purchased this major equipment, automatic data tester, power analyzer, and just recently we purchased a lease space costing 30 lakh rupees, and these proposals have been submitted to the purchase department, technical machines lab, that RT. Yes, please. So this is the departmental library. This is the faculty office.
ऐसा कोई भी डिपार्टमेंट इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियरिंग कहीं भी गुड पेपर आएगा IIT में अगर आप भाई कम से कम 2-3 उसके लिए एफर्ट करेंगे। आपका IIT खड़गपुर की बात कर रहे थे तो यू ऑटो कॉपरेट पेपर देना साहब ये लीजिए मेरा पेपर। फिर ये यंगर बच्चे हैं इनको भी जरा लगे हम भी करके दिखाएंगे। अच्छा प्रोजेक्ट क्या है ये क्या इसके बिना नहीं चलता।
ये फास्ट होगा फटाफट काम करके दूसरे को हेल्प करेगा फिर आपस में शेयरिंग ऑफ व्हाट
Open network. Simple network.
which kind of network
Simple resistor network.
resistive network
Yes.
and what about other inductive and capacitive
Nothing networks we are not
ये केवल वो ये तो रेजिस्टेंस जोड़ना सीरीज में पैरेलल में ये करा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंस्ट्रूमेंटेशन कार्बन नानो ट्यूब मेटल नानो कंपोजिट्स
किसने निकाला रजिस्टर
ROC की वजह कैसे निकालते हो?
ट्रांजिस्टर किसने निकाला चॉकलेट का नाम सुना है कि नहीं? ये बात नहीं तुम्हें एक्साइटमेंट नहीं है तुम्हारे चेहरों आंखों में
very good afternoon. And I'm just going to give a brief snapshot of HGS department. The organization of the presentation is introduction, student, faculty, infrastructure, research, financial aspects, quality assurance, and future focus. This is the vision. We have a BTech course and we cater to the first year students. Next is MSc Physics. This is started from 2010 and the duration is 2 years. The intake we have increased from, and we are offering MSc Physics and MSc Mathematics from last 5 years. We have started 3 new PG courses from this year onwards. Economy है, water and waste management की है, hazardous substance management की है, and सर ये मेरे पेपर्स हैं इसलिए जो है हाँ जी सर
चलो
मुंडा